Let's take a closer look at the fascinating world of itch, a sensation that compels us to scratch, sometimes obsessively. It all starts at the skin's outermost layer, the epidermis, which functions as a vigilant barrier, detecting irritants or threats. When an irritant is identified, specialized sensory nerves send signals through C fibers from the skin to the dorsal root ganglion, a key relay station in the spinal cord. From there, these signals are transmitted to various parts of the brain involved in sensation and perception, including laminar nuclei, subcortical structures, and cortical regions, helping us interpret the sensation as an itch. But sensation is just one piece of the puzzle. The brain also participates in motor responses like scratching, and processes attention, motivation, and emotional responses, since an itch can deeply affect our mental well-being. Chronic pruritus, or persistent itch, often arises from complex conditions such as psoriasis, eczema, or uremic pruritus. These conditions involve neuroimmune interactions. Immune cells like mast cells, dendritic cells, and keratinocytes release cytokines, histamines, and interleukins, which activate pathways such as protease-activated receptors and transient receptor potential channels, both contributing to the itch signal. It's important to note that not all itch originates solely from the skin or nerves. Emerging treatments are targeting pathways like neurokinin 1 receptors to help interrupt the itch cycle. Chronic itch doesn't just affect the skin, it also impacts mental health. Psychological factors like stigma, anxiety, and depression can intensify the sensation of itch, creating a vicious cycle. Stress activates the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis. The paraventricular nucleus releases corticotropin releasing hormone through CH, which prompts the anterior pituitary to produce adrenocorticotropic hormone F. The locus coeruleus influences alertness and attention, further shaping our response to itch. Moreover, the skin has its own neuroendocrine system, sometimes called the cutaneous HPA axis, that plays a role. Activation of this system boosts antimicrobial peptides and aids in skin barrier repair, aiming to defend against threats and help break the itch-scratch cycle. Persistent inflammation can lead to chronic conditions like dermatitis artifacta or prurigo nodularis, often intertwined with psychological factors such as obsessive-compulsive tendencies or somatic symptom disorder. In the end, lifestyle, genetics, and immune interactions all influence both the physical sensation of itch and its psychological impact. So, next time you find yourself scratching, remember that itch is a complex symphony and intricate dance involving skin, nerves, brain, hormones, and emotion.